feeling centered and peaceful no matter what. Keep taking those beautiful sighs on the inhale. Imagine this sense of welcoming in this infinite love and light, this energy that's total love, total acceptance for you. Keep taking those beautiful deep sighs on the inhale. We open up to receive the calm, the centeredness, the comfortableness, the peace. And on the exhale, we let go. We let it flow. We let it come in. We let in the flexibility, that feeling of flexible, relaxed, resilient, adaptable, confident, capable. And just keep doing those breaths.